In this video, I show you how to fix Battlefield 6 secure boot is not enable problem. For solving this problem, just restart your computer. Restart. Now continuously tap on F12 or F10 for entering BIOS mode. Now drop down and go to BIOS setup. Press enter. Now click on secure boot. Now click on enable. OK. Now click on apply. OK. Click on security. Then click on PTT security. Click on PTT on. Then apply. Then OK. Now click on exit. Now I hope that this method fix Battlefield 6 secure boot is not enable problem.